In the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean, a mystery lies unsolved. A mystery that has puzzled experts, haunted families, and sparked countless theories. Malaysia Airlines Flight MH370 took off on March 8, 2014, and vanished without a trace. What happened to MH370? Today we dive deep into the new evidence and theories that might finally unravel this aviation enigma. The disappearance of Flight MH370 is one of the greatest aviation mysteries of our time. The Boeing 777-200ER, carrying 239 passengers and crew, was en route from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing when it vanished from radar screens. Initial searches focused on the South China Sea, but soon, attention shifted westward to the Indian. Another theory points to a possible hijacking or sabotage. Some speculate that Captain Zahari Ahmad Shah, who had a flight simulator at home, might have deliberately diverted the plane. Investigations into his background revealed no conclusive evidence of foul play, but the theory persists. Another theory points to a possible hijacking or sabotage. Some speculate that Captain Zahari Ahmad Shah, who had a flight simulator at home, might have deliberately diverted the plane. Investigations into his background revealed no conclusive evidence of foul play, but the theory persists. Other theories range from a fire in the cargo hold to an onboard struggle. Some even suggest that MH370 was shot down by a foreign military. The lack of concrete evidence means that these theories remain speculative. But new evidence continues to emerge, keeping the investigation alive. In recent years, independent researchers and experts have put forth new analyses. One intriguing piece of evidence comes from a British satellite company, which claims to have detected heat spots in the southern Indian Ocean around the time of the disappearance. Could this be the final resting place of MH370?
The heat spots are consistent with wreckage burning on the ocean surface. If verified, this could significantly narrow down the search area. It's a breakthrough that brings us closer to understanding what happened to MH370.
With this new evidence, the search has resumed with renewed vigor. Advanced underwater drones and sonar technology are being deployed to comb the depths of the ocean. There's a sense of urgency to bring closure to the families of the 229 souls on board. For the families, each piece of debris, each new theory brings a mixture of hope and anguish. The mystery of MH370 is not just a technical puzzle, it's a human tragedy. The quest for answers is driven by the need for closure, for justice, and for the truth. As we continue to search for MH370, we must remember the lives lost and the enduring impact on their loved ones. The mystery remains, but with each new discovery, we inch closer to the truth. The disappearance of MH370 may one day be solved, bringing an end to one of the greatest aviation enigmas in history. The search efforts have faced numerous challenges, from harsh weather conditions to the vast and varied topography of the ocean floor. Yet the determination of the search teams has never wavered. Advanced technology, such as deep-sea drones and high-resolution sonar mapping, has been crucial in exploring areas previously deemed inaccessible. One of the latest advancements in underwater search technology is the use of autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs. These robots can dive to great depths and scan the ocean floor with incredible precision. Their data is then analyzed by experts who look for any anomalies that could indicate the presence of wreckage. The search for MH370 has also been a testament to international collaboration. Countries from around the world have contributed resources, expertise, and funding. This global effort underscores the universal desire to solve the mystery and prevent similar tragedies in the future. The disappearance of MH370 joins the ranks of other aviation mysteries, like Amelia Earhart's vanished flight and the crash of Air France Flight 447. Each case has its own unique circumstances and challenges, but all share the same haunting question: what really happened? Understanding the final moments of MH370 requires piecing together incomplete data. Flight data records, satellite pings, and debris analysis all contribute to forming a possible scenario. However, without the cockpit voice recorder and flight data recorder, often referred to as the black boxes, the full story remains just out of reach. The mystery of MH370 has already led to changes in aviation safety. Improved tracking systems, mandatory cockpit communication protocols, and better international cooperation are some of the measures being implemented to prevent another such incident. These changes aim to ensure that no plane ever disappears without a trace again. For the families of the passengers and crew, the search is deeply personal. Their stories of loss and hope add a poignant human dimension to the technical and scientific efforts. These families continue to advocate for ongoing search efforts and support each other in their shared grief. Memorials and tributes have been held worldwide, honoring the lives lost on MH370. These gatherings serve as a reminder of the human cost of the tragedy and the enduring need for answers. They also highlight the resilience and solidarity of the global community in the face of such a profound loss. As we close this exploration into the disappearance of MH370, we remember the importance of perseverance in the search for truth. Every piece of evidence, no matter how small, brings us closer to solving the mystery. The story of MH370 is not just about a missing plane, it's about the enduring quest for knowledge and the unyielding human spirit. Stay tuned for more mysteries, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown. If you found this video intriguing, please like and subscribe.